I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. GoPro Hero 9 Black. Hi everyone, Rob Howitt, RJH Motorbike Training. Short video today, not really training related, but just received a parcel and I'm going to do an unboxing, and the content of which is the GoPro Hero 9 Black. For those of you that follow us on the channel, the cameras that we use, I have used GoPro back in the day when we first started the YouTube. So 5 years ago, GoPro, then we switched to Drift. We still use Drift but have updated to 4K. We use the Sena 10C Evo 4K. We're now just reintroducing the GoPro. So short video, really Black Friday deal on the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Give it a thumbs up, comment away, anybody, and subscribe to the channel, more videos to come. So hope you like the video. So I'm actually quite excited really, because back in 2015 when we started the channel, we used the GoPros. I think back then it was the GoPro 5s or 3s. So we're actually quite pleased, quite excited. But we went over to the Drift because they were more versatile, fitting our audios and things with them. But successfully used the Drifts on 1080, successfully introduced those, and then the 4K started to come along. So we thought, the Sena 10C Evo, started using that one, and then we came back again with the Drift 4K. So we're using the Drift 4K, we're using the Sena 10C Evo 4K, and they both record at 30 frames per second, so 4K at 30 frames per second. But the GoPro Hero 9 Black, one of the biggest benefits, one of the reasons I chose, I think, is because it can film 4K in 60 frames per second and not 30. So the Sena and the Drifts are both 30 frames per second, but the GoPro, which I purchased, very nice presentation, which I purchased on a Black Friday deal. Keep that in order. Nice case. Presentation very good. The GoPro 9 offer that I went for on Black Friday had a couple of items included. So beautiful. GoPro Hero 9 Black, front camera and a rear lens, front lens. The pack I went for has two batteries. It has a holder and some attachments, so that is good, which means I can get straight to it. Also I've got a card with it, and the card that I think I've gone for is a 2 gigabytes. Yeah, so the GoPro Hero 9 Black special bundle, Black Friday deal I got, actually about £270 I think it worked out with the subscription, so about 270 quid. A case, a couple of batteries, the charger, so you can charge it all up with a USB, and some adhesive mounts which are very useful. The GoPros are really good. Clamp, we'll use selfies I suppose. Hero 9, the GoPro Hero 9 Black is able to film 4K in 60 frames per second, but it is also able to film in 5K at 30 frames per second. So looking forward to that, and as I say, doing a quick video, just the unboxing. So the next one I'll do a recording of it. So yeah, thanks for watching, bye.